We are back with another unboxing, but this one is not sneakers. It's something that I've wanted and I've been monitoring, pun intended, for a very long time. I have watched just about every single interview with the CEO of Whoop. I have been tracking this company for years. I've just read a bunch of articles, understanding how much the tech has come over the years, how much it's advanced. And so with Amazon Prime Day, I decided to pull the trigger. And we're going to unbox it together right now. The packaging is unique. I was not expecting this at all. Was not expecting the blue and the green, and was not expecting something so vertically rectangular. I was expecting something more Apple-esque, to be honest, like if it was just all sleek and black. I don't know why. Comes off. This is probably another box similar to your iPhone that you're going to keep forever for no reason. First thing you'll notice is a Whoop setup guide right in here. You'll see the charger, which is the top part. This is why we don't live unbox. And then obviously you have the Whoop band at the bottom. There's clearly some aspects of this that I need to probably charge before use. But overall, I mean, my first reaction is it's actually thinner than I thought. I thought the Whoop band was much wider on the wrist. I'm actually pleasantly surprised how thin it is. I went with the black on black, so the black metal and the black band. Obviously, I think they have 70,000 different combinations you can make, which is pretty absurd. The new 4.0 has the battery pack that you clip onto the top, so you never have to take off the band, which is pretty incredible. It does come with the charger, and so you could charge it. This looks like I could charge it directly into the MacBook, which is kind of nuts. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. I mean, sounds like step one, you got to download. Wow, this is sick. I mean, as a creative, and just how this is what I was expecting, not this. Just open it up and immediately step one, boom. Next page, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Looks like there's 9 steps. Easily, visually, graphically available for your consumption. And holy cow. Stay tuned for part 2. All right, we are back. You can see we got the Whoop locked and loaded already. So the first step is you got to charge it, right? I didn't know that it wasn't pre-charged, so that took a little bit. But it didn't take too long. I charged the charger for probably like 45 minutes. Then I threw it on the Whoop for a little bit just to get my run in with it charged. So it did record my run. And it was pretty fascinating. The run data itself of it breaking down, hey, you're in zone 1 or zone 5, and for how long, and your heart rate during those periods of time. It's really fascinating data. Secondarily, I obviously wanted a full night's rest in it. And so the sleep data when I woke up this morning is, again, something I never knew about myself, how much it fluctuates. I feel like you could study this stuff for a long time. It was kind of hard not to spend most of my day in the Whoop app. The Whoop app itself is pretty dialed. It's basically like a futuristic app of like, hey, check out your stress. Hey, check out your sleep. Hey, check out, your activities. You could join different communities. I actually really liked the interface. I thought it was pretty smooth. I like that as soon as you opened it, they give you tutorials. They give you step-by-step. Their VP of data science or something like that came on and kind of guided you through this 1.5-minute video. Wasn't too long, wasn't too short. Really just guided you through the first steps. Mentioned that it takes about 30 days for the Whoop to really understand who you are as an individual, understand your bodily habits, things like that, to get you really precise data and feedback moving forward. With that being said, I'm trying to just get used to it. I don't normally wear a watch or anything else during the day. And so just trying to get used to it. I did notice on my run, it's not a heavy product, but as somebody who runs and is very conscious of the things that they have on them, I felt like a weight difference to my hand. So that's going to just take a little bit. Again, it's not heavy. There's like nothing to this product. The band itself is really intuitive. It's just got this really nice clasp that kind of flips down, and the sensor obviously on the bottom. As somebody who graduated with an industrial design degree, this thing is a masterpiece. The way it's designed so elegantly and so functionally is truly remarkable. How they were able to keep it so slim, how they were able to keep it so functional. The strap is completely like moisture resistant, or like just sheds moisture super fast. After I showered with it, it was dry very quickly. The charging mechanism that snaps onto it is pretty straightforward. It's like you close it shut, and then you just pretty much slide it. It's got this rail system that you just clip it into, and then it'll turn on when it's charging. And you wear it with the charger, so you never have to take it off. The goal of the Whoop is to never take it off. So, see, this is a little weird. And then pretty easy to open on and off, regardless if you have fingernails or not. But a spectacle nonetheless. I mean, this thing is pretty remarkable. So I'm very excited to finally own one and use it. And maybe I'll do a 30-day review. But for now, I'm stoked. I love the all black. I love how simple it is, how minimal it is, and it really works with me. So let me know what your thoughts are. I have 3 codes to give out. If anybody wants one, then just let me know.